Thank you for coming tonight. My name is Cindy Rich, and I am the new Library Media Specialist. I recently completed my Master's in Library and Information Science at the University of North Texas. I view the school library as the hub of the school, the center that supports student learning and involves the entire school community. I have to be completely honest. I love books and love reading. I want each student who enters the library to fall in love with books and authors, but the library is so much more than books. It is a place of knowledge and discovery. This year, we'll transform our library into a learning commons, a flexible space where students will collaborate and create. Lessons will correlate to classroom curriculum and support student achievement. Students will learn how to become good digital citizens and utilize new technology to problem solve and think critically. One of my favorite quotes about reading states, "Children are made readers on the laps of their parents," by Emily Buchwald. Please do not underestimate your importance. When you take the time to read to or with your child, you positively affect their overall achievement. This space is not only for students. We welcome your involvement. I want input from you to make our learning commons meet the needs of your families. Watch for an online survey to arrive in your inbox where you can share your thoughts and ideas. Volunteer opportunities will also be posted on our website. Together, we can collaborate and advocate for the needs of our students. One of the ways you can become involved is to join our new Library Advisory Committee. This group will meet on a regular basis to promote the vision and mission of the library. We want the community to know about the wonderful things happening here. Program information will be available on our website, social media platforms, and a printed brochure will come home. Schools are always looking for additional ways to fund technology and materials. I plan to apply for grant monies offered by local foundations and partner with our PTA. We have some fabulous local libraries in the area, and I know that we can work together to provide even better services and activities for our students. I was an elementary teacher for almost 20 years, and I understand the importance of teamwork and collaboration. My role is to not only provide resources to your children's teachers, but to also be a resource. I will be actively involved in team planning and provide professional development training. By working together, all of us, parents, community members, and staff members, we can make a difference in the lives of our students. This list details some of the programs you will most likely hear about this year. I hope that you will become as involved as you can be and will not hesitate to contact me with questions, suggestions, or ideas. Library initiatives impact student learning across the board. I want our library learning commons to bustle with activity and brim with excitement. I am ready to lead our students and school community into a school year filled with possibility and promise. Thank you for attending tonight. I can't wait to work with you.